When the receiver is powered on, press and hold the dial for 2 seconds to lock or unlock the screen. When on the home screen, press the dial twice to enter the control menu. Press the dial to trigger area selection. In this interaction mode, rotate the dial to switch between areas, then press the dial to confirm. Once the receiver or transmitter status bar is selected, rotating the dial to adjust the gain. Still, when the dash box appears, press the dial twice to enter the transmitter control interface. After linking multiple transmitters to one receiver, swipe up on the home screen to access multi-transmitter control interface, which allows you to control all linked transmitters with one tap. Tap the transmitter volume bar on the screen, or use the dial to enter single transmitter control interface. From here, you can manage internal recording, mute, and noise cancellation settings. Find channel setting in the control menu. Select mono, stereo, or quadraphonic based on the device used and recording needs. Quadraphonic mode allows 4 transmitters to operate simultaneously, with each assigned to a dedicated audio track for streamlined post-production editing. Enable 32-bit float internal recording after connecting the transmitter to the DJI MIMO app, the receiver, or compatible DJI filming devices. This capability preserves full audio dynamics, allowing extensive post-production adjustments. For instance, when your microphone is connected to the DJI MIMO app, set the file type to dual file internal recording in the settings menu to retain the original audio file while integrating the enabled audio algorithms, simplifying post-production use without the need for additional processing. Press the transmitter power button or tap rec in the app to start internal recording. Press or tap again to stop recording. After finishing the audio recording, you can download and playback audio files directly in the settings menu. When the transmitter is used with a receiver or DJI filming device, internal recording files can also be copied via the magnetic charging cable or charging case. Settings for the adaptive gain control can be configured by the receiver or DJI MIMO app. For instance, when the transmitter is linked with the receiver. After enabling adaptive gain control in the control menu of the receiver, the gain adjustment can be set to either automatic or dynamic. Automatic mode is suitable for scenarios with significant audio volume fluctuations, effectively preventing audio clipping. Dynamic mode is ideal for quiet environments, such as studios. When lossless audio mode is enabled, the transmitter sends 48 kHz 24-bit uncompressed audio to the receiver, ensuring higher audio quality. This feature is disabled by default and can be enabled in the control menu.